Hey guys, this is Gabriel Lorenzi from the Grupo Dicas, the best network of travel blogs, and today I am here to tell you how to make an international travel insurance with COVID included. It has become a necessary measure to enter several countries in the world. After the pandemic, there were several rules that changed a little bit the tourism market, and here in this video we will explain very quickly how to take out travel insurance with COVID included, which is the cheapest, which is the best, what are the options, how it works, all very quickly in a useful way and without winding up. So don't forget guys to give us a like, subscribe to the channel because that really helps us a lot, and buckle up. Well, what is travel insurance? How to get travel insurance with COVID coverage? Making a very quick summary, guys. International travel insurance is very important for anywhere you're going to travel outside of your country. We never stop traveling abroad without taking one because it offers you coverage for everything from medical assistance, dental assistance, lost luggage, luggage theft. There are several coverages that cover you there for several unforeseen events that you could have in your trip, such as medical admission, the hospital, a microsurgery and attendance, a consultation. These are very expensive items abroad and in dollars, in euros, so people take out travel insurance, which is very cheap. Good travel insurance, guys, just to give you an idea of the price, right at the beginning of the video, for a 7-day trip anywhere in the world, it will cost between $22 and $28. It covers all these expenses, so it's very cheap and very important. For Europe, it has always been mandatory, right, because it's so important, but for most countries it was not. There were people who took the risk and did not do it, which we do not recommend, but there were many people who traveled without insurance, but after the pandemic insurance became even more important and many countries started to require that you have travel insurance with COVID included. And what is that? With special coverage that caters for cases of COVID, because if you take a normal travel insurance, you travel to a place, you get COVID, you need a hospitalization, staying in the hospital, consultation, anything related to COVID that normal insurance doesn't cover. It doesn't cover those COVID expenses. So now several countries, Argentina, Chile, all those in Europe and several others around the world, are requiring international travel insurance with the COVID coverage as well. So how does it work? You will get travel insurance like it has always existed, okay? Which is the normal one. You're going to get insurance there that has coverage and medical assistance, $30,000, which is the average. That's more or less what everybody gets, okay? It's the standard value, which is the minimum value to enter Europe in the other countries. So if you get travel insurance with medical assistance for $30,000, search there. You're going to take this insurance and you're going to have to take out additional coverage because of this big amount here is not including COVID. What have the insurance companies done? They created an extra coverage that covers COVID. So when you look at the insurance, you will see that there's medical assistant coverage, which is the biggest, but then you have a separate one just for COVID. Okay guys, the only thing that has changed is that now you have to include the COVID coverage as well in your travel insurance. And guys, any questions you may have about traveling or planning a trip, you can send them to us and we'll help you. And it's even easier, send us a direct message on my social networks at Lorenzi and I'll really help you. And take the time to follow us because we're always showing the trips around the world, the routine with our little ones that are a blast. And now we are leaving the United States in Orlando. This studio here is already in our new house in Orlando, so we are showing you lots of cool stuff from here. Follow us there, that you're gonna love the content. And I almost forgot, it's been a month since we launched our new channel, the Lorenzi Family Channel. It's a YouTube channel that shows all of our life here of us doing everything in the United States, Orlando, the parks, food, shopping, the little ones, the dogs, everything. We show all our routine, our family, the tours, traveling. It's very cool. Follow us there, you will like it too. How much COVID coverage do I get? There's no rule. The countries do not limit the minimum. To enter here in Argentina, you need at least a COVID coverage, $3,000, $10,000. Nobody has delimited this value. And what is happening? The world average and the one everybody's working with is $5,000. So it's a good, cool average. So most people are getting travel insurance with medical assistance of $30,000 or more and COVID coverage of $5,000 or more. This value is already enough for you to have no problem at all. Now, the main tip for you to get travel insurance for the lowest price of all and find the best travel insurance, because there are many insurance companies and there are many options. If you have started researching, you might have already been a little confused, so come on, there's a much easier way, guys, which is the way we have been doing it for years. Forget about the insurance companies and their websites. You're going to go to only one website, that's a comparator. It's a very good website, it's one of the biggest in the world. It compares all travel insurance, so I'll leave the link down here in the description. Here below the video there is show more. You will see the whole description of the video. There is a separate link. Open it, go searching, you put the date of your trip, the destination you're going to, and it already searches the major insurance companies. Guys, it's very good, you save a lot. It's cheaper than going directly to the insurance company's website because they have such a great volume of people. They have been so good for so long. They have a very strong negotiation, and the insurers keep putting cheaper prices to fight among themselves and to appear there in the first positions, the cheapest ones in the researchers. So it's the cheapest place, and it's very good because it already has the best insurance companies. There is an item there already written COVID. You can filter to only show the insurance that already have the COVID and they are experts on the subject. So you have some doubts, well, I'm going to Canada, I don't know if I need one, so you go to the online chat and quickly ask. In 2 minutes, 1 minute they answer. They are very good at answering all the questions, giving support. Do you need the insurance? Don't you need it? What do you need for such and such country? So besides having the best prices, it's a very good place with a very good service. And to make the purchase, it's fast, it's super simple. The insurance is per person, so you need to make one for each person. You can do everything together, okay guys, in the same purchases. It's very fast and per day, so it's a proportional to the amount of days. The more days you stay, the more expensive it will be, and which insurance company to hire. When you use this comparator, you will see that it already shows some companies. Almost all of them, guys, are the biggest, are accredited, but there are some that we have known for a long time, that we have used it for a long time. We observe people talking, we already know a little about the market. Affinity, Assistcard, GTA, Travelace, and some other 2-3 that you will see there. These are very good. They are the most reliable, they have the least complaints, they are international, so they are very big. You will hardly ever get a scam, have any major problems. So practically any of the ones that are inside this comparator are already the biggest and are accredited. But of course, always take a look there, do some research. It's always good to know which company you're going to hire for your trip. And down here in the description of the video, guys, I'll leave several other links. There is the car rental comparator that works similar to the insurance one, only for renting a car abroad in the own country too. It compares in all rental companies and finds the best prices. There's the chip to use your cell phone abroad, which is very good. It's the cheapest, most practical and fastest way to use the internet anywhere around the world. There is the website of the tickets, the hotel, and finally, I'll leave a step-by-step. They are all the websites that we use to plan our trips, and that will certainly help you plan your trips as well. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel, because that really helps us a lot. And don't forget to watch the other videos that are very good. I'll leave here the one about how to put together a complete trip abroad, saving a lot on everything, and the playlist that has all the other very good videos there for you to watch for your trip. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much and have a nice trip.